A Delhi court allowed Punjab police to formally arrest Lawrence Bishnoi in connection with their probe into the murder of Punjabi singer Sidhu Moosewala. Today, Lawrence Bishnoi was produced in a Delhi court at the end of his remand period in connection with an Arms Act case registered against him. The Punjab police sought custody of Lawrence Bishnoi in connection with their probe into the murder of Sidhu Moosewala. The Punjabi singer was shot dead in Jawahar Ke village of Mansa district on May 29th. Today, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee met Nationalist Congress Party Chief Sharad Pawar at his residence in Delhi. Mamata Banerjee landed in Delhi for a meeting of non-BJP parties she has convened to formulate a joint strategy for the upcoming presidential poll. According to ANI reports, Mamata Banerjee and Sharad Pawar discussed the upcoming presidential election during the meeting. Last week, TMC Supremo wrote to 22 opposition leaders and chief ministers requesting them to attend the meeting on June 15th at the Constitution Club in Delhi. Non-BJP parties including Congress President Sonia Gandhi, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and CPIM General Secretary Sitaram Yechuri have been requested to attend the meeting. Today, Delhi reported 1,118 COVID-19 cases, which is a whopping 82% more than the yesterday's 614 cases. The national capital also reported 2 COVID deaths, while the positivity rate stood at 6.50%. The total number of deaths reported in Delhi now stand at 26,223. The overall case count stood at 19,14,530. COVID cases have been on a rise in India. Maharashtra recorded a jump of 241% from 5,127 to 17,480 in a span of 10 days. Today, the centre unveiled the Agnipath scheme, which is a radical recruitment plan for armed forces aimed at cutting down salary and pension bills and freeing up funds for urgent procurement of weapons. Announcing the move, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said that it was a historic decision. The chiefs of the three services, that are Army, Navy and Air Force, were present for the launch. Under the scheme, about 45,000 people between the age of 17.5 years and 21 years will be inducted into the services for a 4-year tenure. The recruitments will begin within the next 19 days and the first batch will be ready by July of 2023.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.